Salam alaikum. Welcome everyone in Knowledge Reviews channel. I've got 10 great general knowledge questions for you, so let's start. Question 1. How many animals are in the whole world? Answer. Approximately 8.7 million species on Earth, 1 to 2 million of those species are animals. Question 2. Fastest flying bird is? Answer. Peregrine falcon. And speed is 390 km per hour. Question 3. How many arms an octopus has? Answer. 8. Question 4. The arms of the octopus are called? Answer. Tentacles. Question 5. The fastest moving land snake in the world is the? Answer. Black mamba. Before moving on to the next question, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon so that you can subscribe to our channel. Question 6. A group of lions is called a? Answer. Pride. Question 7. Albatross is a large? Answer. Seabird. Question 8. A small fish having a head like that of a horse is known as? Answer. Seahorse. Question 9. A small worm which lives in ponds, rivers, and sucks the blood of animals is? Answer. Leech. Question 10. The world's largest zoological reserve is The? Answer. Etosha National Park, Namibia. And at the same time, our video is expected. Hope you like this video of ours today, then like and express your comment in the comment section. So allow your host Vikas Ali to host the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.